typical. Just had to grab my phone there and take a video of this particular hatch. The reason why, it's because it's hatching from the pointy side. It looks to be doing really well there. It's actually fully zipped. It has fully zipped all the way around. It just wants to come out. As you can see, it's struggling there. Come on! Oh, sorry. Come on. It's just the last. Well, technically, I think it's the last 2 eggs. That one I'm suspecting has got a bit of shrink wrap and has already passed away. But I'm just leaving it in there a little longer. That one should be hatching out very soon. There's a massive crack there. But there you go. This is the one that we're looking at. Originally, it pecked right there. That was the original peck. Then it pecked about 6-7 hours later. It pecked one there. It was like that for 24 hours and it's just started zipping. Come on then. Come on, you can make it. Come on. Come on. That's it. Yeah, that's it. There's your beak. You look like you're a black chick. I hope you are. You look black. I hope so. I hope it's a peacocke. These are Easter eggs, by the way. And they're my own creation. That's why it's a brown egg, because it's a Lavender Araucana cross. I'll let you know what it's crossed with once it hatches, so I can tell who the mother is from the chicks, but not before. But if it's black, then it will be my Speckledy, as I've already had one from her in the brooder now. That particular one is Araucana cross Leghorn. That one there is Araucana crossed with a Warren. Slightly different to a red sex link, but they're pretty much like the red sex links. Let's get back to that egg, watching it hatch. Come on. Come on. That's it, come on. That's it. Hear it squeaking away there. It'll come out. It's just having a bit of difficulty because it zipped around the wrong way and it's sort of fruit tarted itself. Now it's got all the zip lines. You can see the zip line, but it's not a perfect tear. It's ready to come out there. Let's just help it along a little bit. Yeah, well, I ain't gonna make that. Actually will not make that out on its own, unfortunately, because that I'm actually having difficulty pulling that apart. Yeah, see? That membrane is on quite tight. So what we're going to do is help it along just a tad. Just a tad. Just going to cut the membranes off and let him push out by itself. There, see, there you go. You're getting there, aren't you, little boy? Yeah, he's definitely from my Speckledy. My wife's going to be pleased. She's got a thing for black birds, black ducks, black geese, black chicken, and there we have it. So I'll leave him to get out by himself. And oh yes, it is a pea comb as well, just what I wanted. Brilliant. They say that pecans are genetically related to blue eggs. So there's another one I have. Okay. Come on. Come on. You can make it. Come on. Come on. You can make it. Okay, just a second, just a second. So you don't want to cut you. You want to cut the membrane, that's all. There we go. Slate legs, by the looks of it. Yeah. Oh, he's a gorgeous little thing. Let's get this membrane off here, I don't want it sticking to you. There we are. That's it, there we are. Alright, admittingly we had to help it a little bit, but that is purely because it didn't zip properly, but I have in the past had them zip and hatch perfectly fine from the small end before. This is actually the first one I've helped, and only right at the last minute I've helped it. So it's pretty good, that's quite very successful. Real quick clean. There you go. Alright, I'll put the lid back on so you can dry off and pull yourself from your umbilical cord. Leave you to do that. Good luck, well done. Well done.